Hello there. In this example, we're going to show how to add a team page to your website. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to download more templates because that's where the team page package is. So this is going to download the team pages package into my site. I'm going to let that install. Now I'm going to select this Unity team pages and I'm going to call it our team. And we're going to come down here. I'm going to skip several of these things. We're going to hide that. Show intro content. Show page title before the content. We're going to skip that. And we're going to skip this. Okay, so now we have the team pages section right here. So we're going to add data store items. Sam Sneed. This. Here we go. Sam Sneed. CEO, and that's all we're going to do for that. Going to add another one. We're just going to keep adding people. Tiffany Williams. Tiffany Williams. We're going to change the picture to this. Designation VP Marketing. Save and publish. Let's add one more. And Todd Anderson. Todd Anderson, he is the VP of Sales. And we're going to select this guy right here. So now we have these three individuals selected. We're going to add them there. Sam Sneed was the CEO. Let's go ahead and add it here. So here's the individuals. We're going to sort them. We're going to have Todd Anderson, and that actually looks pretty good to me. So let's go ahead and save and publish this, and we are going to do a preview, and now you can see here's our team with those three that we just added.